Welcome back to Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and in today's walk around video we're looking at pre-owned 2022 Toyota CHR-LE in black color. This compact SUV equipped with 2-liter 4-cylinder engine that generates 144 horsepower and 139 pound-feet of torque. And this engine is coupled with a continuously variable transmission CVT. And some of the exterior features here, we can see it's LED lights, honeycomb sport grille, also 17-inch wheels with steel rims and covers, and we have adaptive cruise sensor integrated into windshield as well. On the side, we have a body-colored door handles, rear spoiler with a shark fin roof integrated antenna. And in order to lock or unlock the CHR, we have to use our key fob. Exterior mirrors have integrated turning lights in them. Driver's door is equipped with powered windows with auto up and down for all 4 windows, power doors, window lock for your passengers, and exterior mirror adjustment. The interior details and inserts are texturized. And we have speaker here with bottle holder and storage compartment as well. On the side from tilted and telescopic steering wheel, we have automatic high beams, brightness adjustment scroll for the driver display, and a gas tank hatch release. Behind the steering wheel, we're getting access to driver informational gauge cluster with 4-inch digital display where we can see all our vehicle information and settings, as of safety settings as well. On the steering wheel, on the left, we have audio controls, hands-free buttons, and voice intelligent assistant. On the right, this is our driver informational display controls here with this button as well. Trip reset button and lane departure alert with steering assist and front sonar sensor button is located here. Cruise control switch behind the steering wheel. In the middle of the dash, we have 8-inch Toyota multimedia touchscreen with Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. All the apps and setups are here. You can customize this screen as well. And this is our Bluetooth devices, voice intelligent assistant options, and so much more. Down below, we have duct vents and dual automatic climate control with the front windshield de-icer and rear window defroster, along with exterior mirrors and front windshield wiper de-icer as well. And we have eco heat and cooling mode in order to save as much gas as possible. Down below, we have storage compartment with USB port, cup holder, our automatic gear shifter, electronic parking brake with brake hold and traction control off button, another cup holder, and center console with armrest with the 12-volt connector inside. Overhead console including rear view mirror and map lights for the driver and the front passenger, along with the door lights. And sun visor has integrated mirror in it. Seats in the CHR made of high quality black fabric with the side support and headrests. Both the driver and the front passenger seat are manually adjustable. Door handle for rear doors located at the top corner, so just pull it and door is open. Rear passenger door is equipped with powered windows as well, speaker, cup holder, and we have, this is our rear passenger seats. We can easily fold them 60-40. And children's seat anchors located behind them, and also we have children's safety locks on each rear door. At the back, we see our taillights, Toyota CHR badging. Rear door could be simply opened by pressing the button behind the logo right here, and that's where we have our rear view camera and additional lights as well. And this is our cargo space, and it could be extended by folding second row seating, with some storage pockets here and spare tire with the tools and jack to replace it, and another additional light right here. Let's have a last look at this pre-owned 2022 Toyota CHR-LE that we have here in stock. This compact SUV comes with the convenience features like 8-inch Toyota multimedia touchscreen with Apple CarPlay Android Auto, USB port, automatic high beams, Toyota safety sense features, electronic parking brake with the brake hold, dual automatic climate control, and so much more. Stop by and test drive the CHR today. We're located at 137 Avenue and St.Albert Trail at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, the big Toyota dealership.